Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper and natural gas market. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last week and what we expected in the last week. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. In order to have some clarity, I had decreased the time frame. So I had decreased the scale, not the time frame. What we expected in copper was we expected that copper 356 will act as a major resistance in copper market last week. Like what we expected, the price on 20th gave a bounce back. Exactly, the price reaches our key zone, and then you could see it continued its downtrend. We expected the price to come and test 340, so the price reached all our targets. Even it went down beyond our expectation also. On Friday, there was a retracement and finally closed around 340.55. So everything went according to our plan. So there is no change in the trend. Copper continued its downtrend. There is no doubt in that. So what we can do for this week and on Monday, the price is expected to open somewhere around 340. So since the price of copper had dropped a lot and we had made use of this downtrend also, so we are expecting some consolidation or profit booking in copper market. So for this week, initially we will be on market watch. So let us see the price action, wait for the copper to consolidate, and then we can take a trading decision. That was our plan for this week. Initially, just watch the price action. We will wait for the copper price to consolidate, then we will re-enter in copper trading. Till then, we are going to watch the price action. Now let us move on to the nickel market. The chart you're seeing is a 7-minute candlestick chart for nickel market. So in order to have some clarity, I had decreased the time frame. So nickel, there was a lot of ups and downs in nickel market last week. So on 20th of July, we had a reversal. So we thought nickel will maintain this 736 as a resistance and it will continue its downtrend. But what happened? The price broke the 736 and put a closing. From then after, we expected nickel to stay in uptrend. So the price went up till 760, but it could not withstand that. From 760, it was a complete U-turn and reversal. So on the next day, we expected that the price will maintain 736 as a resistance and it will go for down selling. So what we expected happened on the on the rest of the days. You could see the price maintained 736 as a resistance and price came down till 715. But in the late evening session, there was a complete bounce back. You could see it again. Nickel price recovered and closed around 726.3. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the nickel market. So we had seen a lot of action in nickel because the price didn't stay in line with the trend. It went up, again came down. So there are a lot of things happened in nickel in the last week. So our strategy for nickel is going to be very simple. Till 736, you can expect nickel to stay in downtrend. If the price is going to break 736, then we will go for buying by having 732 as a support zone. So this is the simple strategy what we are going to apply in nickel market, because even the other prices had dropped a lot. Only in nickel, especially in copper, we saw a complete dominated downtrend, but only in nickel we are seeing a lot of buying happening. Example, you see this price action here, the buying happened. The price after reaching 720, it gave a clear buy. So Friday also we had a buy. So you should be very careful when the price is entering 732 and 736. So that this is going to be the key zone. We are going to approach the end of this contract also. So you need to be careful while adding your position. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.